It's her! It's her! It's really her! I can't believe it! She's so beautiful! I love you, Mira. Where do I sign?
Hold it! I bet you want to meet me too. I'm coming! I'll sign that for you.
Hey! Not so fast. I believe that's mine. Here, okay?
I don't think so.
Oh boy.
My turn now.
You think you can mess with me?
Yeah, right.
I don't know if I like this anymore. Rumi sure is vicious. And what about Mira? So much anger in her eyes. Enough! Huh? You two need to calm down. Take these. Ready for some gold versus silver?
I guess.
Whoa! Where are we?
I have no idea.
Look, it's a challenge. A challenge I'll definitely win.
That's what you think. Okay. Gah!
What are you so scared of?
What's going on?
I don't know, but I'm digging it. Time for some magic.
Exciting!
I could use a little refreshment. Wow! Bottoms up!
Whoa.
Those were pretty good! Whoa!
No way. Now me! Well,
These look pretty good too!
what a copycat.
Watch out for that dragon! Look!
Hold on. Where?
I'm just gonna take this little guy. This too. Mmm, delicious! Let the hair makeover begin. So pretty, right?
I think he got scared. Wait, those are my drinks.
Someone had to drink them.
Not cool, Mira.
Gold, gold, and more gold. I'm gonna be rich. Huh? Nice to meet you too.
Thanks. Looks like real gold to me.
No way. How'd she get that?
Boom. New hair. Who dis? What, you jealous?
Ugh, whatever. I don't even care.
Hey, look! We did it!
My hair's never looked better.
I know, right?
Well, should we see what's next?
I don't know.
It's our faces.
Okay then.
Yep, I know just what to make. Makeup for days. Wow. So many options. How about… Ta-da! All done!
Okay, my turn. Huh? Oh, come on. Just work. Do it! I said, do magic, you stupid wand!
Wait! Calm down. Just be gentle, see?
Got it. There. Nice and gentle. I did it! Now I just have to put it on. Oh well.
I'll help.
Huh? Wait, where'd it all go?
I don't know. Weird, right?
I'll try it one more time. Come on, just fix it. Thank goodness. I thought I lost it all for a sec. I need a clean slate. All natural. But not for long. I need clean lines, people. This spoon will help. More glitter, perhaps? Good as gold, baby. And next, some warm, rosy cheeks to match.
What?
This helps me stay in the lines.
What on earth?
I almost forgot the lips. Ah, gorgeous. Do I look good or what?
I guess we both did all right.
Yes! Noodles? Wow.
Are you kidding me with this?
Hey, my shirt!
Huh? I'm sorry.
Well, it's okay, I guess. On to the next. Well, now what?
A new fit? I'll take care of that.
No way!
I just love shopping. Don't you? What's the vibe? Hello, Sparkle.
Wow, That looks great on you.
No, this is my rack.
There's plenty.
I don't share clothes.
You're gonna regret that. Check it out. It's just missing a little bit of spice. Hungry?
My favorite noodles. Mmm, so good. And... Ah! Water!
Bye. I may as well do some shopping while you're gone.
Excuse me.
Whoa, looks like I've been caught. Never mind, got what I needed.
You are so annoying.
Annoyingly fabulous. You agree?
I'm not talking to you right now.
Whatever, this fits fire. Can I?
Beats me.
Yay! Let's do this. Nothing's happening? Hello? What's going on? Somebody answer me right now!
No wonder she's having trouble. It's just a dupe. Here.
What's with this thing?
My turn. That'll do it.
How'd you do that?
Isn't that strange? I'll just press it. Oh, come on.
Looks like it's our shoes this time.
Yep, I think you're right. Let the magic begin. I got something. Wow, oh my goodness. They're gorgeous, don't you think?
Just 1 second. Gotta grab my wand. Where did I leave that thing? Bingo! Found it! Phew!
Hold it.
What?
The bird, up there.
What kind of bird?
Like I care. This is gonna be so good.
Look at these! All for me? How exciting! Not the vibe. Something better in here? Definitely not. Perhaps third time's a charm? Pretty please? Oh yeah, now that's it. Simply perfect.
They're fine, I guess.
Nailed it. Oh! Play to press it?
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Gotcha. My turn.
Jewelry, huh?
Let's make this one good. What's that? It's glowing. Something inside? Love it!
Love what?
Haha! Delicious!
Hello? Over here?
One more second. Look!
Silver and diamonds? Wow, it just keeps coming. I can't wait to get my bling. A bunch of coins? Do-over. Now, please. Where are my jewels?
It's here, silly.
What do you mean?
Come on, use your brain. And this cauldron.
I see. Just drop them off for a little swim. I think they're ready.
Feels good to sparkle, doesn't it?
I'd say so.
Yep, nailed it yet again.
Let's do it.
Okay, now what?
It's a mic. I know what to do with that.
Yeah, me too.
Wow.
What does this have to do with a mic?
I know. Watch.
Wait, what's happening?
Seriously?
Earplugs, anyone? Please stop. Me now.
My brain hurts.
Well,
Call it even?
if I have to,
Deal.
let's do it.
Yes!
We actually did it.
Look at the score! Uh-oh.
Looks like we're back. Oh, back already?
Gold and gorgeous.
Silver and stupendous. I'm so proud of you guys. Selfie!
I can't wait to go in. Hey, I have the invitation.
Let me stop you right there. Gotta check what the scanner says.
Is this really necessary?
0%! No way you're going in! Imposter!
Does she need saving?
I strongly think so.
Whoa, my head. Huh? It's you!
Yep, but don't get too excited. We have lots to do. Your turn, Z. So here's the plan. We're gonna make you our Rumi. We will start with your face, teeth, pimples, cheeks.
Oh.
Phew, that's a lot of work, really. And then…
Aha.
Ta-da! So, let's begin! Whoa! Okay, girl! Moving on. So, what's next? Well, teeth checked. Next, pimples.
Ugh, the worst. I'm ready.
I'm not… I know just what you need. How is this going to help? Ha! Hold your breath!
Bloop, 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 bloop. Wow, this is magic.
Let's get rid of that. Much better.
Wow.
I have an idea! Glitter is always a good choice.
How'd I look?
Not as I expected. Oopsie.
Hey, I didn't sign up for this.
But… oh no. It's no biggie.
Wait.
Don't worry.
Phew.
Never again! Okay, I got the right one here. Here comes the makeup dust!
This is the most glamorous version of me, like, ever.
We did it! A golden transformation! But we're not even close to being done yet.
Whoa.
To the salon! Let me take a closer look at your hair. So dry. And definitely the wrong color. How about…
No!
this looks wrong. Maybe…
So 80s.
Nope.
Cruella would be jealous.
Nuh-uh.
Wow.
Purple is your color. I call this shade the Soda Pop Purple. Mwah! Hair, check. We're getting there. Yay!
Huh?
The tail must go.
But how?
Oh, here's the answer to that problem.
I can't.
It might slightly hurt. Didn't think we would need this much. Are you ready?
Nope. Ouch!
Phew. This is gonna take a while. We did what we had to. Now you walk.
Whoa, this feels weird. Hey, don't look!
Don't worry. Now it's time for a fit check for your napalm era.
Wow.
Let's get you into some chic clothes.
I look like Sherlock Holmes. Yikes.
No, this is not her color. Nope. Maybe this?
Wow.
Perfect. I kept the best for last.
I feel like I can take over the entire monster world in this fit.
Yeah, girl. That's the spirit. And with that, we've completed everything. Let's do this. Not so fast. You still need to learn the choreography.
Slower, please. I can't keep up. Ouch. Wait, to the left or right?
Just copy our moves. It's easy. Stop! You're ruining the whole routine. Wait. Maybe we should try a new teaching approach. Come on.
Well, this looks fun, to be honest. I will try my best.
You got this!
Left foot back, right foot back. Now I add the hands.
Go, go, go!
I think I'm finally getting it! Yay! I win!
Bravo! I knew you had it in you.
Wow! What's that? Is this really for me?
You're one of us now.
I'm a huntrix. Let's hunt some monsters!
Hold on.
What now?
Your training is not over. Catch! Time to test your sword skills.
All those years of playing Fruit Ninja weren't for nothing. Phew!
Impressive. Truly. She's ready. We officially welcome you to the team.
Thank you!
You're done hiding. Now you're shining.
Like I'm born to be! Haha! The party awaits! Ahem.
Am I supposed to know who you are? I gotta check. No wannabe huntrix allowed.
Huh? What do you mean? But why?
Sing your heart out. We've got your back. Always.
Let's do this.
Shut up and play.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, I like the sound of that.
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You want to get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Huntrix, don't miss.
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause.
Phew! We were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes! Finally!